The LG W41 comes with a whole-in display for an uninterrupted viewing experience. It is available in magic blue color. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory that is expandable up to 512GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. LG W41 has a 6.55-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with face unlock and fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. The phone comes with AI quad camera setup, including a 48-megapixel PDAF, 8-megapixel wide, 2-megapixel depth and 5-megapixel macro camera. It also has an 8-megapixel front camera for all your selfies and video calls. Powered by Android 10.0 operating system with Helio G35 octa-core gaming processor, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. LG W41 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, charger, quick start guide, warranty card, USB data cable, SIM ejector pin and protective case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.